How to delete FaceTime calls on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the FaceTime application on your phone. You will be brought to the FaceTime page, which displays a list of all your recent calls. Now, swipe left on FaceTime links. This action reveals a trash can icon on the right-hand side. As you can see, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Delete Link to confirm. To delete multiple call logs at once, go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. From the small menu that appears, select the Select option. You can now choose calls by tapping the small circles that appear next to each log. After selecting the calls, tap the Delete button at the bottom right of the screen. Following these steps, you can easily delete FaceTime calls on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.